This was Ben before PetHub.com.
Oh, hey little guy. I've got myself a new friend. Mine's best friend.
This was Ben after PetHub.com.
Oh, hey.
What's this? That's Martin's PetHub ID tag. Once a unique QR code is scanned, his PetHub profile is viewed and the owner is notified. When Ben lost his dog, he was able to update Martin's info on his PetHub.com profile to include contact info, medical information, and other details. So once the tag was scanned, Ben and Martin were able to live happily ever after, thanks to PetHub. Protect, share, nurture.